That's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar, opposite ends of the stick, end of the spectrum. Duality has to do with distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things just seem different, contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now the juxtaposition of polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, a contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory.
A number of different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can't determine, I don't know in that sense.